Donald, don't you let Luna near these girls over here. Yes, Clyde, get involved, of course. I've got all these girls over here. I've got to catch one of them. Donald's making sure that nobody bothers them. And Clyde, he doesn't like anybody fighting. He comes over to referee the whole thing. Luna, you're asking for it. Donald will turn right on you. You're going to get it. Clyde, what are you doing in the water? You're a guinea fowl, you dummy. You're not a duck. Clyde. This has to be a part of everything. Good Lord. What a bunch of animals. Oh, here we go. All right, I have to catch Daisy now. Come on. Clyde, you are not a water bird. You weirdo. That's it, Donald. Keep her away. Keep her away from the girls, Donald. Oh my gosh, Clyde. Really? Really? You're in the water. Come on, bonehead.